Welcome guys. So just wanted to shoot a quick vlog, let you know what's going on with the shop and the company. So it's been pretty busy and in good and bad ways. Well, first the shop, we've been swamped with work, our trucks and customers. So it's been a crazy couple weeks, and now we're trying to the lights are coming off on me, motion detection, and the reason is we're not progressing with the shop how we wanted it in the first place. The paint's not getting really done. The order needs to still be better. We're not very happy with where we are right now. I really want it to be at a certain level, and it just drags because we have so much work, and we try to keep all those updates and all of those changes to the shop for ourselves, just so we don't have to spend money and make it the way we want it. So definitely too busy, and that made me think, should I hire another technician? So I'm gonna probably start running an ad just to see. I feel like we're gonna get a lot busier in the coming months with peak and fall, and so most likely I'm looking into hiring another team member to help us out. As far as trucking, we had a little bit of uptick on volumes. We've been seeing a little bit more mileage and trucks coming our way and freight coming our way. Also, the uptick on the spot market is visible. Is it gonna last? Who knows? But peak is around the corner, so definitely things are looking up. Very interested to see peak and Q1 next year. That's definitely something that I'm excited about. And that's pretty much it. Just a quick update on what's going on. So thank you for watching. There are a few videos coming out about things that I want to talk about, and subscribe if you haven't, and talk to you soon.